Hello everyone. Today I am also discuss our main topic quantization of charge. What is the quantization of charge? That was the total integral multiple of the transforming charges is known as the quantization of charge. It is denoted by capital Q is equal to plus minus Ne or Q is equal to Ne. Now means N is equal to total number of transforming electron and small e is equal to charge upon electron. The value of small e charge upon electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Another word we share to the quantization of the charges, the value of the total transforming electrons from one point to another point, that is known as the quantization of charge. Q is equal to Ne. For quantization of the charges, we can also understand by an example. Let us consider AB is a metallic rod. The value of total transforming electron is 1 coulomb. And what will be the value of the number of transforming electrons? Now we use Q is equal to N. Q is equal to 1 coulomb and N is equal to question mark and E is equal to charge upon electron. N is equal to Q by E. Therefore 1 upon 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, then N is equal to 6.25 into 10 power 18 electron. That was the total number of transforming electron from 1 coulomb charge body from A to B. That is the main funda of the quantization of charge. Okay, students. Then we study to another topic, additivity of charge. Additivity of the charge means that was the total sum of the charges is known as the additivity of charge. For example, let us consider a figure that is form of square A, B, C. The different charge particle is function 1 microcoulomb, minus 1 microcoulomb, plus 2 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb. That will be intersect to each other at the point O. Now the total sum of the charges we can also Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. Then we observe the total sum of charges 1 microcoulomb minus 1 plus 2 micro minus 2. Then the total sum of the value of the charges is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4, 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. That was the total sum of the charges known as 0. That is known as the additivity of charges. The another important topic that is called the conservation of charges. We know that the law conservation of energy cannot be destroyed, cannot be decayed, but it can converted one form to another form. Therefore, in same process, the charge is also conserved. It was generally explained by the main process of the nuclear fission. Nuclear fission, that is the main process of the conservation of the charges, and we can easily explain it. If the 92 uranium 235 is react from 0 and 1, then it will be splitted X 141 barium 56, 92 krypton 36, 30 and 1 plus 200 megavolt energy. That is the main process of the nuclear fission. What is the nuclear fission? When any heavier atom to be splitted into two or more lighter parts, that is called nuclear fission. For example, when the 92 uranium 235 is react with 0 and 1, then it will be splitted between barium 56, 141, krypton 36, 92, and 3 neutron plus 200 megawatt energy. When we compare to the reaction from LHS to RHS, we observe that the value of atomic mass is 92, and the right side, the value of atomic mass is equal to 141, 92 plus 30 and 1, that was the 236, and the value of atomic number is 92 and 56 and 36, that is 92. Therefore, the charge is also conserved. Okay, goodbye students. We meet to another video and another day. Okay, goodbye.